Hello everyone, today we'll be painting a beautiful garden landscape on this very round canvas. Once I figure out how to open this, let's get to the painting, shall we? I'll start with pink color and gradually blend towards red tone. It was quite the struggle for me to get the whole canvas in frame, so this is me checking if my brush strokes and canvas are in frame. After those fake brush strokes, let's actually start painting. Got to say, the whole painting and the background color and the color scheme is looking so yummy. It looks like a cake, right? No, just me? Okay. I had bought this big flat brush from a hardware store, which is not an ideal place to buy art supplies, but I found this one and it's huge. Now that I'm looking at the video, it looks like the back of the brush is stabbing me through the screen. So sorry for that. Continuing to create the pink and red gradient. Bringing the canvas in frame.
Come on.
It's always beautiful to see that last bit of the canvas getting covered in paint. It's like a puzzle being completed. When the base coat is all dried up, let's move on to create the beautiful garden. I'm doing a green and black base coat for the garden where I'll place my flowers and leaves. I'm going to add leaves of green and blue tones so that it creates a nice contrast. I know it's not super realistic, but it's super beautiful and that's what's important. I have discovered recently that painting landscapes can be a really soothing process. Also, it's a nice change compared to my usual portrait drawings. So you might see me painting more landscapes in the future, so look forward to that. Let's paint some roses here and there. Now I'm just adding a base coat of red, and later I'll add more dark and light red colors to define the petals more. We keep on adding more leaves and flowers till the whole area is completely filled. And for the sky, I like to paint some clouds and a small tiny sun. I'm telling this all now because I forgot to record the part where I painted the clouds and the sun, so...
Sorry.
And here it is, the completed painting. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.